Hello my dear students, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So this concept is for the CET and the NEET, where a question might appear, means already been appeared in the previous years regarding the percentage of S character in a hybrid orbital. So this is like a class 11 concept where you might be knowing what you mean by hybridization. See what happens. So the atomic orbitals or the atoms, in order to attain a stable state, they try to become a molecules. So for example, if I take a hydrogen gas, so when I say hydrogen gas, we're going to write it as a H2. When I say oxygen gas, I'm going to write it as a O2. Why not O? Why not H? Because as a diatomic molecule, it will going to attain the stable state. Okay, that's why what happens, the atoms combine to give a molecules to attain a stable state. In the same way, the atomic orbitals will overlap to give the molecular orbitals. Okay, and that overlapping is known as hybridization. So commonly we know sp3 hybridization, sp2 and the sp hybridization. All the three we know. So here what happens, the percentage of S character means, so when I say sp3 hybridization, you could see we have a S orbital and we have a p orbital. So both orbitals are contributing for the hybridization to give a sp3 hybridization. So what is the percentage like a contribution from the S orbital, from the p orbital, that we need to concentrate. Similarly, when I say sp2, the same concept is applied, and even for the sp hybridization. So when I say sp3 hybridization, dear students, how many total orbitals you could see here? We have a total 4 orbitals. So one is S orbital and 3 p orbital. 3 p orbital plus 1 s orbital is totally 4 orbitals are involving. So now percentage of S character. So what is the contribution of a S orbital for this hybridization is, see here. That is how you're going to find out. Percentage of S character is equal to 1 by 4. What is 1? The S orbital that is present. We have only one S orbital, so that's why. So I'm writing 1. Out of 4 orbital, we have a 1 orbital, that is S. So 1 by 4 into 100, since we need to find out the percentage, we have to multiply with 100. So when I simplify, 4 1s are 425, so I'll going to get 25%. So what is the S character in case of a sp3 hybridization, dear students? It is 25%. So such questions have already appeared in the previous exams. It is especially a CET exam we might see. So similarly, when it comes to sp2 hybridization, same method. Now sp2 hybridization, total orbitals are 3. There is 1 s and 2 orbital, out of which only 1 s orbital. So 1 divided by 3 into 100. So 33.3%. Okay. So similarly, sp hybridization means percentage of S character is equal to 1 divided by total 2 orbitals into 100. So 2 1s are 250s. So 50%. So you could see 25% in case of sp3, sp2 33.3%, sp 50%. So a more contribution from the S orbital will be to the sp hybridization. Okay, now the another points that you need to concentrate is, more the S character, more will be the electronegativity property. So among sp3, sp2 and the sp hybridization will be having a more S character. That is 50% will be a S character. So more the S character, more will be the electronegativity property. Means sp hybridized orbitals or the molecules which have a sp hybridization will be highly electronegative in nature. So one more point we need to concentrate here. More the S character, shorter will be the bond. More the S character, shorter will be the bond, means less bond length. Why it's supposed to like that? It's because when I say sp hybridization, there occurs a triple bond, dear students. One will be a sigma bond and one other two will be a pi bond. So more the bond, more will be like what? The shorter more the S character, and more will be the shorter will be the bond length, or less bond length we can say. And if the bond length is less, bond strength will be more. Shorter the bond, stronger will be the bond, since both are inversely proportional to each other. So among sp3, sp2, sp hybridized orbitals will be highly electronegative in nature and lesser bond length and more bond strength. So this is important concept for your CET and NEET. I hope you understood. At least you had to remember the percentage of S character in a sp3, in sp2 and in sp hybrid orbit. Thank you.